Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can sign up for your Deliveroo account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Deliveroo account, firstly open your Google search. Type in Deliveroo sign up and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. The official page of Deliveroo will appear on the screen. Tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen and click on sign up or login option. You can either continue signing up with Google, Facebook or email. If you tap on continue with Google or Facebook, your Deliveroo account will be linked with these social media platforms. So here we are going to continue with email. Tap on continue with email. Enter your email address and click on continue. Enter your phone number. A 6-digit verification code will be sent to your number. Enter your verification code, fill in your personal information as in your location, and that is how you will be able to sign up for your Deliveroo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.